welcome back. I'm Sowson. Today is bruschetta. It has been inspired by my son Tarek. I am working with sourdough rather than your basic loaf. I do have all the fresh ingredients chopped up, ready to go, and my homemade famous pesto. We're going to put it all together within 5 minutes. The family should be eating. Let's get it going. Okay, I have 4 tomatoes, 1 large red onion, a handful of Kalamata black olives, and a handful of Feta, Danish Feta. Now, I'm not going to add any salt on this because the olives and the Feta have enough. Just cracked pepper, olive oil, a generous amount of olive oil on this, and the zest of 1 yellow lemon. And blend it all together. Perfect. We're just going to place this to the side. We're grabbing our bread, or our loaf, our sourdough. We're going to rub a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to slightly pan fry them and make them nice and crisp and brown. We're almost finished. I've just decorated my platter with a little bit of rocket and spinach. Oh, this looks so good. Now, I'm going to bring in our toasted sourdough. I'm going to drop them all in the middle. We'll get the rest in a minute. Now, my famous pesto. I'm just going to rub it all down. Oh my goodness, Christmas has come a little early. Absolutely beautiful. Just placing our mixture. Doesn't matter if we spill it. This is gorgeous. This looks like a party just about to happen. Okay guys, I have to go. Please look out for my next video. Like and subscribe. Get on that notification button. Thumbs up. Love yous. Bye.